Do you want to learn how to invest like a pro? How to use expertise and AI to pick stocks? I will show you multiple stocks. The last 5 being the best 5 stocks for beginners. Today we will be talking about investing for beginners. We'll show you some different ways to invest to help you get started on your investing journey. Welcome to the world of investing. If you're watching this video, you're clearly ahead of the crowd. Most people never even get this far. Before we dive in, make sure you have some things handy. Number 1, your brain. Number 2, a pen. Number 3, a notebook. Number 4, a search engine. Get ready to dive deep into the world of investing. This video is packed with information, tips, and tricks to help you make informed investment decisions. I can only arm you with information. The rest is up to you. Just like the G.I. Joe commercial said, knowing is half the battle. The other half is taking action. Warning. Warning.
Warning.
The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or legal advice. It is essential to conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Ever wondered how some people seem to have it all? The secret often lies in investing. Today, we're going to demystify the world of investing and make it accessible to everyone. Investing is like planting a seed. With time and care, it can grow into a beautiful tree, providing shade and fruit. In investing, you're planting your money, hoping it will grow over time. There are many ways to invest. Let's explore some options. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. If the company does well, your stock value can increase. But remember, stocks can also lose value. It's time to put those brain cells to work. We'll also be using some powerful tools to enhance our analysis. Let's leverage the power of human intelligence and technology to find the best investment opportunities. We'll be combining your brain, expert insights, and AI analysis to make the best possible investment choices. Tip number 1. Benefit from expert knowledge. Here's a famous quote by Warren Buffett about timing the market. The only value of stock forecasters is to make fortune tellers look good. Warren Buffett is known for his insightful quotes about investing, and this one accurately captures the difficulty of predicting short-term market movements. It emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and avoiding attempts to time the market. It's time to get out that pen and notebook. Remember to conduct your own searches. Information changes constantly. Your own search will show you real-time information. Tip number 2. Invest based on your experience level. Avoid expensive stocks when starting out. Here's a famous quote about investing in smaller cap companies. Small companies can outperform large companies over the long term, but it's important to select them carefully and be prepared for increased volatility. Peter Lynch. Lynch, a legendary investor and fund manager, is known for his success in identifying undervalued small-cap stocks. This quote highlights the potential for higher returns from smaller companies but also emphasizes the importance of thorough research and risk management. So let's use AI to search. Top 5 small-cap stocks. Number 1. ACM Research Incorporated ACMR. Number 2. Titan Machinery Incorporated TITN. Number 3. Stride Incorporated LRN. Number 4. DG International Incorporated DGII. Number 5. The Bancorp Incorporated TBBK. Tip number 3. Diversify. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes. This can help reduce risk and potentially increase returns. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. Now imagine you could invest in a whole sector of the market with just one purchase. That's the beauty of ETFs. Let's explore this powerful investment tool. ETFs offer instant diversification, allowing you to invest in multiple assets with a single purchase. Let's do another search. Top 5 ETFs. Number 1. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. Number 2. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, IVV. Number 3. Schwab US Broad Market ETF, SCHB. Number 4. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Number 5. iShares Core MSCI EF ETF, IEFA. Now that we've learned the basics, let's put our newfound knowledge to the test. We'll use expert analysis and AI to identify some promising stocks for beginners. Search. Top 5 small-cap ETFs. Number 1. Vanguard S&P Small Cap 600 ETF, VIOO. Number 2. iShares Russell 2000 ETF, IWM. Number 3. Schwab US Small Cap ETF, SCHA. Number 4. Invesco S&P Small Cap 600 Growth ETF, IJR. Number 5. iShares MSCI EAFE Small Cap ETF, EES. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Bonus tip: dividends. Think of dividends as a bonus check from the companies you own. They're paid out regularly, whether the stock price is rising or falling. Dividends can be a great source of passive income. Just remember, not all stocks pay dividends, so do your research. The ball is now in your court. You've got what it takes. You wouldn't be here if you didn't. Take the knowledge and skills you've gained and start your investing journey. There you have it. Based on expert analysis and AI, these are some promising stocks to consider for beginners. I hope this video has been helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this video about the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest and how you can make it work for you.